Hi, first graders. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need 3 different colored crayons. Please take out your crayons now. Our first word is twin. T-w-I-n, twin. With your first crayon, please write twin. T-w-I-n, twin. With your second crayon, please trace twin. T-w-I-n. And with your third crayon, please trace twin. T-w-I-n, twin. Our next word is trap. T-r-a-p, trap. With your first crayon, please write trap. T-r-a-p, trap. With your second crayon, write trap. T-r-a-p, trap. And with your third crayon, write trap. T-r-a-p, trap. Our next word is step. S-t-e-p, step. With your first crayon, write step. S-t-e-p, step. With your second crayon, S-t-e-p, step. And your third crayon, S-t-e-p, step. Our next word is help. H-e-l-p, help. With your first crayon, please write help. H-e-l-p, help. With your second crayon, write help. H-e-l-p, help. And your third crayon, write help. H-e-l-p, help. Our next word is slip. S-l-i-p, slip. With your first crayon, please write slip. S-l-i-p, slip. With your second crayon, write slip. S-l-i-p, slip. And with your third crayon, write slip. S-l-i-p, slip. Our next word is trip. T-r-i-p, trip. With our first crayon, write trip. T-r-i-p, trip. Second crayon, write trip. T-r-i-p, trip. And with your third crayon, write trip. T-r-i-p, trip. Our next word is stop. S-t-op, stop. First crayon, write stop. S-t-op, stop. Second crayon, write stop. S-t-op, stop. Third crayon, write stop. S-t-op, Stop. Our next word is gulp. G-a-ulp. Gulp. First crayon, write gulp. G-a-ulp. Gulp. Second crayon, write gulp. G-a-ulp. Gulp. Third crayon, write gulp. G-a-ulp. Gulp. Our next word is held. H-e-l-d. Held. First crayon, write held. H-e-l-d. Held. Second crayon, H-e-l-d. Held. Third crayon, write held. H-e-l-d. Held. Our last word is slim. S-o-i-m. Slim. First crayon, write slim. S-o-i-m. Slim. Second crayon, write slim. S-o-i-m. Slim. Last crayon, trace slim. S-o-i-m. Way to go, boys and girls. Go ahead and turn over your paper. All right, boys and girls. Today we are working with L blends, and we are looking for PL blends. So we are going to color the PL words. Our first word is plan. Do you see the PL blend in plan? Yes, we do. So I'm going to color my PL blend in plan. My next word is free. Do you see the PL blend? No. So we are not going to color anything. Next word is play. Do you see the PL blend? We sure do. So we are going to color the PL play. Glob. Do you see the PL blend in glob? No, so we are not going to color glob. Next line down we have drop. Do you see the PL blend in drop? No, so we are not going to color it. Next word is plant. Do you see the PL in plant? Yes, so we are going to color the PL blend in plant. Next word is back. Do you see the PL blend in back? Nope, it is not there, so we are not going to color the word back. Our next word is plug. Do you see the PL blend in plug? Yes, so we are going to color the PL blend. Then we have plank. Do you see the PL blend in plank? Yes, so we are going to color it. Then I have scan. There is not a PL in scan, so we are not going to color it. Plot. Do you have the PL in plot? Yes, it is, right at the initial, the beginning part. Then we have flan. Do you have the PL blend in flan? Nope, so we are not going to color it. All right, my friends, you're going to do spin, read, and write by yourself. So you need a paper clip, and you are going to spin your paper clip 8 times, and you're going to write 8 different words. If you get the same word 2 times, that is just fine. Write it twice. Please pause the video while you do spin, read, and write. All right, welcome back from Spin, Read, and Write. We are going to work on our word bank at the bottom. Our first word is plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. We need 5 boxes. Basement, tall, short, short, tall. I see that right here. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Go ahead and cross off plant. Our next word is plug. P-L-U-G, plug. We have 4 letters, 4 boxes. It's going to be basement, tall, short, basement. I see that right here. P-L-U-G, plug. Our next word is play. P-L-A, play. Basement, tall, short, basement. Right here at the bottom. P-L-A. A-Y can say A. Our next word is place. P-L-A-C-E, place. We're going to put place right here at the bottom. P-L-A-C. Sometimes C can make an S sound. Place. Our last word is plank. P-L-A-N-K, plank. Please write plank. P-L-A-N-K, plank. All right, my friends, you did great. Thanks for your hard work.